Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the system sound in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings, then set up, go to sound and vibration here. And as you see, we have a system sound here. So the first, we can choose the volume of the system sounds. And you can choose whatever sounds will be in different way. Then touch interactions. So when we touch something, we have a sound. We have a dialing keypad. We can turn it off or turn it on. If it's turned on, you will hear something voice like that. If you turn it off, you will don't hear anything. Samsung keyboard. So as you see, the Samsung keyboard is in message. That's it. You hear the voice. The Samsung keyboard disassembly. You don't hear anything. Disable, of course. Charging. So when you put the USB cable charging your phone, you will hear the voice. You disable, you will hear nothing. Screen lock and unlock. So you hear the voice? Yeah, that's right. To disable it, you will hear nothing. So that's all about the system sounds. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!